Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Podia affiliate program for digital product sales, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Podia website to get started. Locate the footer of the home page. Find and click on the affiliate program link. Review the details of the Podia affiliate program. Click on the Join the Affiliate Program button. Fill out the required personal information in the registration form. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Enter your full name to complete the registration. Include any additional details, such as your website or social media links. Read through the terms and conditions of the program. Agree to the terms by checking the appropriate box. Submit your application by clicking the Sign Up button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Podia. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Log in to your newly created Podia affiliate account. Familiarize yourself with the affiliate dashboard. Explore the available digital products you can promote. Generate your unique affiliate links for these products. Share your affiliate links on your website or social media. Monitor your sales and commissions through the dashboard. Reach out to Podia's support if you have any questions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.